That means the working method of Segnet theoretically. Just we are now basics here. When you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So what is Segnet? Segnet, you can say, is one of the familiar deep learning architecture and follow the concept of encoder and decoder. And here it comes under category of semantic segmentation. So before going to discuss everything, we have to get the idea about semantic segmentation, because it's a task of classifying each pixel in an image into a specific category. It might be a class such as like identifying object and their boundaries also. Moreover, it's so familiar. With the help of segment, we can design n number of applications today successfully, and it consists of three components. See here, and it always consider input as image, at last produce the output as a segmentation map, since we already discussed something in the unit also. And this is an example taking here. So it consists of three components. One is called encoder, another one called decoder, another called the softmax layer generally. Single point options. Yeah. So input encoder. The use of encoder very easy, because it consists of a layer of convolution and pooling operations for downsample the images, input images. And next come to the decoder. Once come to the decoder, it upsample the feature maps from the encoder easily and extract the feature maps as needed for the output segmentation. Then the specialty of this segment is called pooling indices. Why pooling indices? Because it supports the max pooling indices, and it generally makes training process very easier for everyone. That's the reason the segment follows the max pooling indices here. At last, it have a softmax layer. That means the output, because the output of the decoder is passed through the softmax layer, and this softmax layer produce the which assigns a probability distribution for create the segmentation here. So once you have a segnet, you can generate the segmentation map as a output, and also pixel fiber, and also it comes under the category of semantic segmentation, and also very familiar deep learning architecture. So three components are important. One is encoder, where encoder consists of now layers like convolution and pooling, and decoder is there. The decoder helpful to upsample the feature maps from the encoder, and this decoder moreover refine the feature maps through the additional convolution layers and produce the final segmentation output like that. So at last we have generate the output segmentation map like this. So this is about simple and easy and useful information of the Segnet. If you have doubts, please comment and subscribe in the comment box and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.